Hello everyone, welcome to Allied Expertise. I am Dr. Swadamini Sinha, currently student with Allied Expertise. Allied Expertise is an online platform that helps the overseas pharmacist become a registered pharmacist in Australia so that they can practice legally. Today we have Yakesh with us. Welcome Yakesh and congratulations on clearing your KAPS exam. How are you feeling?
Thank you very much. Yeah, it was very amazing feeling. Actually, I was little bit worried at the yesterday, but yeah, I passed and credit goes to Elite Expertise and both the faculties. But yeah, I'm very happy.
Please give us your introduction. Where are you from? Where did you study? Everything.
Yeah, sure. So basically, I study Bachelor of Pharmacy from Gujarat University in Gujarat. Then actually, I started my own business in pharmacy in Gujarat. But recently, before 3 years, I went to UK, London for higher education for MBA study. And at that time, I came to know about CAPS. So I started preparation over there. But unfortunately, because of some health issue, I had to come back India for 2-3 months for treatment purpose. And in that time, I was thinking to start my coaching and I choose Elite Expertise and result is with you.
Why did you choose Allied Expertise?
Yeah, actually, there are many reasons. First reason is both the faculties are working in Australia as a clinical pharmacist, and as I know, I was working in hospital in NHS in UK, so I know clinical pharmacy to become a clinical pharmacist, the knowledge will be very vast and very deep because doctor can ask anything anytime. So I know about that. The second thing is I heard from lots of peoples like elite expertise is very best. Both the faculties Arief sir and Harika ma'am both are very good at teaching and their result ratio is very fine. So that's the main reason I choose.
And how did you prepare for your exam?
So, for my preparation, actually, I joined little bit late. I joined like mid of Jan. So it was like already 20 or 22 lecture was finished and the main CVS was finished. So I expressed my preparation because I was in India. So for me, it was a free time. Just a treatment purpose was going on. So I prepared a lot, to be honest, because the gap was too much. I completed my B Pharm in 2011, but after that, the touch with the study was actually gone. So I studied with sirs and madams lectures, and as per them, their instruction, I revised them 3 to 4 times. I made my own notes, and the last week, I can say I fully enjoyed the revision lectures and mocks. That's the main strategy.
And how much time did you take in preparing for the exam?
Honestly, 1 month for the core preparation was done in 1 month. But yeah, I joined like in the mid of January, so 1.5 month. I enjoyed my coaching with sir and madam. But the core preparation was actually 1 month, and in that 1 month, I forgot what is going outside. I forgot what is going in Facebook, what is going in WhatsApp, anything, nothing. Just only focus on preparation, listening lectures 3 to 4 times, and whatever instructions sir and ma'am was giving, I was blindly following that.
So you cleared the exam in just 30 days, in just a month.
I can say 40 days. Yeah,
40
because
days.
for
Wow.
yeah, because for like I joined 2nd of Jan, I think, but like 1 week, I just have time like to cope up with the subject because I was very far from the subject and CVS. I was blank at that time. So 1 week, 10 days, just touch with the subject, and then I started the core like hardcore preparation, and in 30 to 40 days, yes, of course.
And what did you like in Allied Expertise?
Everything actually, to be honest, the method of teaching, like the mother is at, for example, if I talk about my wife, every day every night my wife was telling stories to my son. So ma'am was teaching like that. Ma'am was always a storytelling kind of method of her, which actually helped us a lot to understand the concept, because to like filming is not useful for this exam. To understand the concept, that's the main thing. And ma'am's like teaching method was very fine. She was explaining every topics with the storytelling method, and sir has very deep, very vast knowledge in any topic, any subject. So both, a great combination is the synergy combination, which actually I utilized a lot, and in that particular time I had a great time with them.
What are the
Yes.
teaching strategies that you liked about the Elite Expertise?
Yes, from starting, like ma'am injected the basic subject, so they like ANS, the systems, and then we move to CVS. So there's the teaching of particular sectors, that is also important. So first we injected with the basics, then like slowly they inject the a great, the CVS, CNS, and then biochemistry, then calculations. So this kind of strategy is very useful, and meanwhile they are giving examples, case studies. So this kind of strategy is also useful because they are working as a clinical pharmacist, so they are also sharing their own experience, like what is happening currently in Australia in nowadays. So this kind of strategies, live example always fits in our mind very quickly. So this kind of things very useful, and this strategy is very fine. The last week, the whole day ma'am was with us, even sir was with us, and that strategy is also based, because the last week preparation always play a vital part in the whole preparation. So that strategy is also based off them.
So,
Yeah.
which paper was easy for you?
Yeah, for me paper one was very easy. I finished like within 45 to 50 minutes, and I did revise the whole paper one. And paper two was also, to be honest, it's easy, but yeah, calculation was little bit different, so it little bit consumed little bit more time, but for me it's okay. Yeah.
And which are the 3 points that you think that have played a vital role for you in clearing the KAPS exam?
If I can say in summary, like three topics, the main thing is, whatever sir and ma'am was telling us in lectures, in instructions, in messages, that is, every verse is very useful. So that's the main the thing. Second thing is, revise and listening the lectures again and again. And third thing is mocks. Do mocks every time, repeatedly. To be honest, like I do not have lots of time, so I like hardly did it like 5 or 6 times, all the mocks. But yes, lots of peoples in our group, they did like lots of times. But yes, these three, like listening lectures, whatever they are telling in live lectures, we are like I was making them as a note, and mocks. These three strategies are very useful. Yeah, to be honest, join elite expertise very blindly and follow their each words. Actually, that's the main thing, because in live lectures sir and ma'am are telling lots of things. This is important for CAPS, this is asked 100 times, this is asked 10 times, this is more important, this is recently asked. Make a note of them, so at last time you do not have to hustle bustle, like you do not have to open all the lectures again and again, because in last few days it's very crucial. We have to, time management is very important last time. So do these things, and of course follow them blindly. That's the core thing. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Yakesh. All the very best for you.
Thank you very much.